तू बेटी है तो रहमत है, तू बहन है तो शफकत है, तू बीवी है तो चाहत है, तू माँ है तो जन्नत है. On this beautiful note, I welcome you all to Sadhguru's Women's Day celebrations.
Women's Day is all about commemorating women in our life, as a colleague, as a friend, as a partner, as a sister, as a mother. And at Sadhguru, we are proud to say that we have amazing women in leadership and technology position, and each one of them is special in their own ways.
At Sadhguru, every day is Women's Day, and this undoubtedly is the best occasion for our male associates to recognize and appreciate the achievements of female colleagues.
Once a lady asked the great cartoonist, Mr. R.K. Lakshman, why he has created a common man, not a common woman. And his response was, women cannot be common. I've been, since day one, I've been interacting with a couple of women here. Of course, Madam was the one since I have been interacting with the day one. She has been very much supportive. She has been very much encouraging every time. I also would like to thank you very much to our HR team, Priyanka and Tanu, first of all. And every time they have been there very supportive. And that I would like to say thanks to Riti and Saujanya also, who have been I've been interacting with them for the past couple of months.
I'd like to express my gratitude to all my teammates. We are a women majority on the second floor. I'm happy for that. I think I worked with almost all of them in one project or the other, or one proposal or the other, including Hema ma'am. I worked with her in scheduling the FSMS courses.
So I think I'm very happy to say some good things about the woman power that dominates the agri team. And as Sriram rightly said, the entire floor. 70% of my team members are women. Ritu, Richa, Rijuta, Purnima, and Sana. I'm sure many of you must be feeling sorry for Anand and me on the floor. On the occasion of the Women's Day, I'm proud to honor and thank all of you, all the women power in my team, for everything you do by balancing work and life without compromising on our business deliverables.
Yeah, good evening, one and all. Best wishes to all the great women out there. So, I've been kicking myself to find an opportunity like this where I can actually talk to all my extended family members, and I'd like to thank ma'am for a great gesture, and I'm sure that you all gonna rock. Thank you so much.
Happy Women's Day to all the female associates of Sadhguru. For you, I would like to speak about three people whom I interact day in, day out in my team. So I'll start with Tanu first. Tanu is the one person, when I hired her, she only, the trigger point for me in hiring is, she said, Murli, I will never let you down in the work. She's self-responsible, task-oriented, and very dedicated. Thanks, Tanu, for all the support. Then Priyanka Patkar. She's very cheerful, present, and always smiling whenever, we are stuck with work. She's always ready to support without looking at the time. And I feel she's the perfect HROD person. She's approachable to everybody in the organization. Thanks, Priyanka. Coming to my super boss, Hema ma'am. Whenever I interact with her, I always remember one point: believe in yourself. She's always supportive, available 24/7, and she's always behind us and for support. And above all, I salute for her passion towards excellence. One more person I would like to, appreciate is Pushpa. Even till today, with the kind of benchmarking she sets in the performance or expectations is amazing.
There's a quote from our scriptures: "Yatra naryestu pujyante ramante tatra devata, yatre tastu na pujyante sarvastra prafala kriya." Which means where women are honored, divinity blossoms there, and wherever women are dishonored, all actions, no matter how noble it may be, remains unfruitful.
Happy Women's Day to all of you, all women and powerful and power women of Sadhguru. I have been working closely with most of you. So yeah, I have been working with all of you at one point or another. And it has been a great experience, great learning experience, as well as pleasure working with all of you. So I won't point out any specific names because for me, everybody has been best, one better than the other. So I will not point out any names, but it was a great pleasure working with all of you. And continue going back. Thanks.
I would say that she is a very strong woman and with courage to take every challenge. So happy Women's Day, Renuka Madam, and happy Women's Day to all the female employees of Sadhguru. Thank you.
Happy Women's Day to all the female employees at Sadhguru and KVA. Definitely, I'd like to thank each and every woman I've worked with, and especially I'd like to thank and appreciate two people here. One being the one from the cleaning staff, Ms. Dhanlakshmi. Sometimes we miss out to recognize the hard work which those people put in, because they are the ones who upkeep all the cleanliness and of our second home and make it even more better. So I think I'll have to appreciate all the women in the cleaning staff. And the second is Hema ma'am. The reason why we call KVA or maybe Sadhguru as a second home is because I think at the top level, you make the employee feel the warmth of how well an organization should be.
First of all, I'd like to wish a very happy Women's Day to all the boss ladies present on the call, and especially to the two boss ladies with whom I work day in and day out. To be frank, I'm awed by their advanced emotional intelligence that they possess and the multitasking abilities that they have with themselves. So I'd like to thank Sheetal and Ketna for this.
Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful and courageous women present in this meeting. Pavani, how cleans his house neatly? Like that, our QA bugs, she will always cleans before releasing to client. Pallavi having great coordination with not only QA, not only SPD, along Sadhguru.
Happy Women's Day to all our leading ladies. Now I want to tell few good qualities about Renuka. She gives utmost importance to work. She always ensures completion of work.
Hello everyone. Happy Women's Day. And this is about year 2013 when I went to BJRA program. There I was working with Rituparna. So I was amazed to see that she is working very hard.
So happy Women's Day to all Sadhguru women.
Wishing a very happy Women's Day to all our Sadhguru female staff.
You know, that would be great to know what the strong women of Sadhguru would feel if they get a chance to become Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for one day.
I become the Prime Minister for one day. My first biggest concern would be to improve the safety and security of women in the country. Secondly, we do praise working mothers a lot, we do praise working women a lot, but we somewhere fail to praise the homemakers who help in keeping the home a home.
So instead of 75 years for the tax exemption, I would go for 60 years for the income tax system, the tax exemption. Then end the reservation systems completely, because I think every individual has to be given equal opportunities.
Given a chance, I would the current age for marriage, for minimum age for marriage for girls is 18. If given a chance, I would try to increase that to 21 to maintain the equality with men.
If I'm really the PM, I would sign 3 files immediately. One is, improving the public education system, and then healthcare to everybody. And the third file is to make inclusive society, including communities and neighborhoods for everybody.
One thing that I feel very strongly about is education, and I would like to do something with regards to that. So that's two-pronged. Firstly, I would like to incentivize female education, especially for the underprivileged and women in the rural areas, because
I'm our PM for one day. I think I'll have a very deep focus into the environmental concerns that's going around, because these wildfires and landslides are just taking a lot of toll. It's taking a lot of toll on us.
I get a chance to really be in a position where I can make a difference and some change. I would definitely want to make a special branch in judiciary which focuses on women's problems, on fast-track cases for domestic violence, for crimes against women. So I think that is one thing that I would really, really want to do.
right? As country leaders, you have a strong power to influence. If you can influence behavior, that goes a long way.
Today is the Women's Day. So all gold jewelry, the GST will be not there for buyers.
We have some situations and you have to show your response in acting it. So let's see how expressive you are. Guys, it's time for some fun and musties.
If you wake up and your room is filled with roses, would you be surprised, happy? What would be your reaction?
I would think that now I have to clean all this up.
Cleaning headache, ma'am.
I would start an enterprise, ma'am. I'll immediately make bouquets and sell it off.
Next one is your favorite crockery set is broken by your spouse.
So in that case, I would make sure that he buys it, the same one again.
Or a better one maybe.
Yeah, the better one and the more expensive one I would prefer.
That is why I always buy steel stuff only.
What happens when your partner says he is in an office meeting and you find him in a mall?
I would be happy because he's definitely shopping for me. So why not?
Send the shopping list to him.
Women have been at the forefront of all the fields, and here are some popular female-centric movies. So without any further ado, let's get started. And here comes the first clue. This is a Telugu movie, which is about a 70-year-old person who's sad with her life. And then she's transformed into a 24-year-old beautiful baby.
Oh baby, oh baby.
Oh baby.
Baby. Lock kar de.
ठीक है, oh baby then.
This is a Hindi movie released in 2020. Amrita, a young woman, leads a content life with her husband Vikram.
Hold on. If somebody is not able to guess,
Thappad.
Yeah, who guessed it first? Who's the one who guessed it first? The first name.
Me.
I was expecting this.
A very good evening to everyone, and once again, a very, very happy Women's Day to all the awesome women of Sadhguru. In Sadhguru, I had an opportunity to interact with associates from various cities, religion, gender, and mindsets. I developed a rapport not only with our associates, but with their family members too. Now it's amazing to see the family members caring and standing by each other at all times. And I really mean this. It's not just me. I know the whole Sadhguru family members stand by each other at all times. There's a personal experience I really felt. Certainly, currently we have more than 36% of women associates in our organization. And that's a great number, and a big round of applause for all the women associates here. As true culture goes, we have always strived to ensure a proper work-life balance for all our associates without discriminating between female and male associates. We have always strived to give equal importance and opportunity to all our female and male associates, whether it is in assigning projects, compensations, promotions, travel, trainings, opportunity to present at various forums, and a safe environment at all times. We have put in our best efforts to stand by our associates during their tough time, whether personal or professional. All our policies are always employee focused, keeping in mind that they go home at the end of the day a very happy and very relaxed and happy mood when they go home.
Hi, I'm Renuka, working at Sadhguru since the past 15 years. I have been provided with a lot of support on various opportunities in innovations and R&D necessary for cloud computing, which is the norm today. You get a lot of opportunities to prove yourself at Sadhguru, and we are excited with the new tasks and challenges we come across every day.
Today it happens to be my 5th year. I completed 5 years in Sadhguru. One thing what I have noticed is the safe space for women to work and thrive is what I have observed. When my daughter met with this accident, I thought my career has come to an end, because if Sadhguru haven't given that sort of a support, today if I'm still continuing my job, I think it's because of Sadhguru and the support that Madam has extended.
So my journey so far at Sadhguru has been an amazing one. I have almost spent around 4.5 years here, which made me acquire new skills, polish my personality, meet new people, people from different places.
Yeah, I think 2021 with COVID exposed some of the harsh realities of inequities, very, very blatant across homes. It is, I think, we saw women working, really working threefold, because they were handling the kids at school, they were still doing full-time home and full-time office. Wasn't true of all homes. It was true of several homes though. And for those homes where it was true, I think it's still the unfortunate reality, where burdens are unequal, where empowerment has always been about women having a certain right, having a certain role, has not necessarily been about balance from a family or a society perspective. I would want gender to be a non-issue in life and in growth, but not just for the 36% of Sadhguru's team, but for all women we see around us. So as we actually celebrate the success where of the team that we have, of the extended family structure we have, the support system we have, the non-compromising attitude and sense of safety we have, let's make sure if we can influence 3 people around us, do it. Right? You see abuse, talk up. You see someone not wanting to educate their girls, encourage them. You see a girl give up her career, encourage them to go back. Right? Make a societal change. Contribute to it, small way. Everything we say, everything we do counts. And overall, let's leave a better world for the next generation, where this is a celebration for a much broader spectrum of women. And that, happy Women's Day.